Hey Twinkl parents, today I'm going to be showing you 2 different sensory bags that you can make at home with your children with things that you'll find around the house.
For this first sensory bag, you will need a zip bag, tape, some type of gel, this could be hair gel or hand gel, and different small objects such as glitter, beads, buttons and shapes. Start by adding gel to the bag. You can then get your children to add the small objects to the bag. Now it's time to seal the bag. To make sure the bag is sealed, add tape around the sides. Now your children can explore some sensory play. Encourage children to slide and move objects around. Children can move objects and group them together. Your children can even draw letters or numbers into the gel. Here's another idea for an easier sensory bag. Cook and cool some spaghetti. You will then need a zip bag, tape and glitter. Start by putting the spaghetti into a bag and add the glitter. As before, seal the bag around the edges using tape. Now encourage your child to move the spaghetti. Can they tell you what happens to the glitter?
And there you have it, lots of things can be added to a bag to create a sensory bag at home. We hope you have lots of fun learning and exploring, and I'll see you next time.